my name is Kevin Reed, Regional Sales Engineer at LinMot USA in the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program. LinMot partners with Rockwell Automation to deliver its linear motion solutions for Rockwell architecture, including linear-rotary motors and drives, helping machine builders and CPGs reach best-in-class machine automation solutions. This partnership is compatible with sustainability efforts and reduces CO2 emissions by nearly 97%, while providing energy savings of up to 95%. LinMot addresses the critical need to provide sustainable, fully electric linear motors and drives that are seamlessly integrated with and controlled by Rockwell Automation's architecture. Its solutions are backed by its application knowledge and unparalleled support. LinMot and Rockwell Automation are better together and support a variety of industries with robotic automation solutions, including food and beverage, handling and assembly, automotive, textile machines, semiconductors and electronics, laboratory automation, printing and labeling, packaging, and medical and pharmaceutical.